We're Nikki and Carlo and we live in Positano, Italy, except we also just bought a house in Tuscany, which we're currently renovating, so we live there too. Join us as we turn this house and olive grove into a dream home and get to grips with living in two different parts of Italy. The last couple of weeks have been slow, quiet, and exactly what we needed. We've spent our days walking through the countryside, picking blackberries along hedgerows, wandering beside rivers, and soaking up the gentle English summer. One day we took a little trip to Brighton with Dad, just for a change of scenery and a bit of sea air. Out of all of the places I live in or visit often, I honestly think England is the best for walking. On the Amalfi Coast, it's almost impossible to find a flat walk unless you're braving the side of the coast road, which is far from ideal. The mountain paths are stunning, with views you could never beat, but they're steep and exhausting, not exactly suited to daily dog walks. Tuscany, of course, is wonderful too, but in July and August, the searing heat means walks are limited to early mornings and late evenings, and even then you're likely to be dodging mosquitoes and horseflies. So right now, England feels perfect, cool, green, mostly flat, and blissfully free of bitey insects, with a huge selection of walking paths to choose from. We didn't film very much, mostly because we weren't doing much that felt worth recording. It was more about switching off, stepping away from work and enjoying the cooler weather.
So good.
Delicious.
I know. It's fantastic.
Look at blackberry country.
Wow.
We've just walked into the local coffee shop and there's this...
Okay, this is Positano. This is not Positano.
It's AI. It's an AI.
Yeah. The average temperature while we were there was around 22 degrees Celsius. It was often overcast with a few warmer days and a few rainy days. I loved it. Carlo grumbled that it was ridiculous for August, which should be hot and humid, but for me and the dogs, it was perfect. All in all, it's been a quiet little chapter. Cool evenings, a few good pub meals, long walks, and simple days spent with Dad. In between the slower moments, we started gently planning our journey back through France. The route changed a few times. Some of the stop-offs we'd hoped for didn't quite come together, but that's often the way with road trips. After Wednesday's video, when we talked about planning our route back, many of you suggested places to go and people to visit along the way, which would have been lovely, but it's mid-August and a busy time for lots of people, so we ended up keeping it simple.
Seems this is your job, Nick. Yeah, really good.
She's very good.
Harry.
It's the best haircut I get is from Nikki. She knows that.
I know.
I've waited 3 months one time.
What was it? Michelle said, I saw your dad. He's got very long hair.
It is an invite to cutting your dad.
That's a good haircut, Nikki. That's a good haircut.
Hello, I've just bumped into the postman.
Yeah?
He's given me this, but it's for you.
For me? What is it?
Something that you've been asking for ages.
Veramente?
Yeah.
Non mi ricordo di averti chiesto delle cose. Vabbè, vediamo qualcos'è. Le magliette! Ah, grigia? Un'altra grigia?
One's for Martin.
Ah, una per Martin. Bianca?
That won't be for Martin. There are some of them for you, some for Martin, and I think there should be one for me, if I've got it right. Did you have a grey one of those?
No.
No? Okay.
C'avevo uno
You had a white one?
bianca, sì.
Yeah. That's nice.
Sì. Poi?
Boy, there's a new dark grey one with Hello Everywhere, and I've slightly changed the font so it's slightly different from the old one. And these are all available for anybody to buy. They're linked under our videos. and they're from tea mills, so it's all organic cotton and they're recyclable and no plastics involved.
Come sta?
Yeah, good.
Why?
Wait, that's just a replacement because you've...
Ma questo mi piace.
Yeah, I know.
Questo
Just
la
thought I'd
mia
get you a new one. And then there's a couple for Martin there. We'll give them him later because he's coming over tomorrow. And I'll go and try my one. I might not try my one on in the garden in front of all the neighbours though. Oh, I could actually. I just put it over my vest.
Voi donne siete così complicate.
Yes, very smart. Interesting material actually. It's not. It's quite a thick t-shirt material. I hope it's not too big. It's supposed to be a baggy style, so it's supposed to be. And obviously I'm not going to wear it with cream shorts. It's supposed to be for wearing with jeans, and I would wear it a bit like that. Yes, I like that. I like that because the style before was the boxy one, which couldn't really tuck in. So I wanted something that I could tuck in, but it's got nice long sleeves, and it's a nice heavy. It's quite a heavy knit t-shirt. It's not flimsy at all. One of my brothers, Martin, came over for a barbecue one night and to show off his new wheelchair to Carlo. After becoming partially paralysed due to a botched medical procedure a few years ago, this chair just helps him get around faster and easier.
Yeah, because
He said, Martin.
Sembra una serie della Formula 1, incredibilmente vedo guarda se fai così si Oh, good. Puoi girare niente, guarda.
It's just incredible, isn't it? The engineering on it. And I don't know, the grade of metal, I don't know what it is.
I can't remember what t-shirts you've got, so I've got you. Have you got that one?
I know, that is the one I wanted. This
Okay,
is that.
that's for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
You've got that one.
I've got
haven't
that
you?
one,
What
yeah.
colour have you
I've
got
got
it in?
I've got
White.
it in that colour.
Oh, have you?
Yeah,
Oh,
because
okay.
there was a white one and a grey one.
Oh, okay.
So I think,
Well, Dad can have that one then.
yeah. So, do you want me to put it on?
That's for Dad. Yeah.
I've
go
lost.
on. I know,
Hello,
it's pretty short,
everyone.
That's great.
Hey, hello
Very
everyone.
smart.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, it's really nice.
And that is, yeah, it's just like.
Mine shot.
Yeah, you won't. It's Martin's birthday. So we're taking him out for dinner at this beautiful place. This is where we had Dad's surprise 90th birthday party. There's a lovely lake over there.
Beautiful lake.
Yeah,
Well,
it's
the
really
golf
nice.
balls drop in off the 18th hole. Hello, Carl.
Hello,
How are you?
Martin. I'm fine,
I'm
you?
going into the bush.
Yeah. Martin, I want to say, nice shirt.
Do you like the shirt?
Yeah,
Oh,
I like
love
so
this
much.
shirt. Say it. I can't say it because it's copyrighted.
Hello everywhere.
The conversation had turned to Formula One car racing. So I'm going to take an opportunity to just show you outside and show you the lake. What's the matter, Carlo?
Non lo so. Sta mangiando la pasta con una cotoletto di pollo sopra.
In Italy, it's not allowed, is it? Chicken and pasta are not allowed to go
No,
together.
No.
Harry's not going, he's walking now.
Tuo padre non è italiano, va bene così. Tu fai delle facce assurde. È incredibile le tue smorfie. Vuoi una mano?
I think that's okay. Right, that's about that much off the bottom, and now I'm going to put some layers in. You wanted proof that I cut my own hair. I think this is it. So what I'm doing is putting some layers in, and I use a tutorial on YouTube that I found. And it's just a very simple tutorial for a wolf cut. So you need 2 ponytails, one going straight up in the air and one going straight out like a unicorn's horn.
Seems really complicated.
Yeah, it's actually complicated for me because I've got so much hair, it's really thick to cut because you're supposed to just like cut straight across, and my hair's really, really thick there. So I'm just gonna check my tutorial. Pin it out.
Li stai tagliando storte, amore.
Lo so, ma non vedo. It's going to take them a while to dry it now, so you're not going to see any results straight away, but you can sort of see the layers are in there. It's definitely worked.
Sembra una leonessa.
Right, give me an hour or two and I'll come back and show you the finished result.
Okay.
No.
Okay, we're just about to leave, but I ordered this dog carrier, and it's a horizontal dog carrier so that Holly isn't scrunched up in a bag, which is probably better for her back. It's just arrived literally an hour before we're leaving, and we're going to try and put her in it and test it out and see what it's like. I love it, the cute de la quoi.
Try it the other way round.
Cosa? Prendila un attimo. No, Holly, prendi Holly.
Ah,
Prendi Holly.
vieni qua, salcicciotta.
Hang on.
Do you know what? I reckon she'd be able to walk with that. I think she could walk with that.
The whole point is for her to not walk.
The point is you pick her up when she's had enough. I think you'll walk with that. Try it. In every escalator in London transport, it's got a sign that said dogs must be carried. Have you seen that?
Yeah.
And you walking along with a dog being carried, and look, pick it up and carry it.
Oh, it's nice. I can play with her Kiki.
Well, I'm sure she'll walk.
Che tranquillissima, guardala.
The head. Are you happy, puppy? Are you happy, puppy? Did you get the cookies?
Così la possiamo portare nelle scale a Positano, no?
Perfect. It's much more comfortable than the bag.
I know,
Much more comfortable.
I know.
And she's in the right place. She's like in the small of my
And she
back.
can see where you're going.
Are you happy? Does she look happy?
I don't know. She look, come si dice?
Paradise. She's just not sure what's happening. It's a good device.
Yeah, that would be perfect in Positano for
Yeah,
steps.
very good device.
Yeah.
Do they do one for people?
And it was really cheap as well. It was only about £23.
Oh, I might get one for myself.
Do you like for a new bag? Oh, that's hilarious.
I'm gonna stick.
Right.
Take care. Just look after
Yeah.
yourself.
You're going to come out in October? For the olive harvest? You said you were.
Yeah, if I can, yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, whatever.
I mean, there might not be much of a harvest, but there'll be something.
Well, I've got a good harvest here. Have you seen what
I know.
Look.
You've got more than we have on the trees. They're amazing. The trouble is, you're not going to find an olive crest.
You've seen the
Yeah. When you come, you bring this for us.
Oh, bring them, that's it. Yeah, you pick them and you bring them and we can press them.
Incredible, isn't it? I can't believe it. It's the best year we've ever had.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what you do. You bring them.
The squirrels have eaten all the nuts, all the hazelnuts. They eat all those. Then there's any olives on this tree.
Yeah, you've got some on that tree as well.
Yeah, there's quite a few. So it's the Harry Story olive groves.
Okay, I'll see you in a few
Take care.
weeks.
Enjoy your trip, okay? I'm sure
Bye.
it'll be good. Take care.
Penso che a lui era dispiaciuto.
Yeah, sad. I think he's more upset about Indy leaving than us, but I'll see him
I
again.
don't think so.
Yeah, it'll be lonely now because he's had a house full of people and dogs for the last 3-4 weeks because Dan was there as well when we arrived, and now he's on his own. But I'll see him again in a month. In between the slower moments, we started gently planning our journey back through France. The route changed a few times. Some of the stop-offs we'd hoped for didn't quite come together, but that's often the way with road trips.
Ladies and gentlemen, we shall be arriving shortly.
After Wednesday's video, when we talked about planning our route back, many of you suggested places to go and people to visit along the way, which would have been lovely, but it's mid-August and a busy time for lots of people, so we ended up keeping it simple. And before we knew it, we were back in the car and heading back to France again.
E praticamente questo è tutto che abbiamo filmato in Inghilterra e abbiamo lasciato il papà di Nikki e siamo venuti qui, in Normandy.
We've just walked into Honfleur, so we're just discovering the town centre. This is as far as we've got, and it looks like there's more of the town centre over in this direction. Let's go and explore. We arrived in Honfleur in the early evening, just as the light was starting to soften. This little harbour town in Normandy has been a favourite of artists for centuries, and it's easy to see why. Half-timbered houses, cobbled streets and a port that looks like it's been lifted straight from a painting. I think I've just found Diagon Alley. We wandered through streets overflowing with flowers, the scent of blooms mixing with the salty air from the harbour. Down by the waterfront, the cafes and restaurants were buzzing, their terraces packed with people enjoying the warm evening. After weaving through the crowds, we found exactly what we were looking for. A little tapas bar, tucked just far enough away from the main bustle, serving an incredible selection of French cheeses, cured meats and still warm baguette. Simple, perfect and exactly what we needed after a day on the road.